TFNN. Headline News Update.
Everybody, I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. 2 p.m. Eastern Time, 2 hours until that closing bell. Let's check in on the markets. It's a relatively mixed day off of the session lows, and we get the Dow Jones positive. Dow positive by 5 points, trading at 25,391. S&P's negative by 1 point, trading at 2749, and the NASDAQ negative by 11 points, trading at 7152. Start things off, let's jump over to the Nadex platform, check in on some of the futures markets. Started off with the S&P 500, lower we were pre-market, traded lower on the open. We were down at about 2736, close to about 10 a.m. this morning. S&Ps were 13 or 14 points higher from that range. Fighting for positive territory, S&P is still negative by 1. We're coming off 6 straight days of a positive close on the S&P. We'll see if that market can muster another positive close today with 2 hours left until that bell. NASDAQ 100. 66.71 currently, also off the session lows. Dow 30, quite an acceleration. Dow, the only major market currently positive by a few points, trading 25,370. Oil, we had EIA inventories at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. We saw a draw of 4.9 million barrels. The expectation was about 3.9 million barrels. A little bit of volatility there, but nothing too jarring. We were at about 63.35 before the inventory numbers at 10:30 this morning. We're about 12 cents higher now, 63.47. Quite a run crude oil has had. Gold pulling back a bit, 13.19, excuse me, in the yellow precious metal. And Bitcoin, how about it? 14,547. We were just down at 13,600, right around the opening bell for the markets. $1,000 higher in Bitcoin. What else you have going on in the market? How about we'll jump around? You got Kohl's. Kohl's saying they're ready to partner with a grocer or a convenience store to fill vacant store space. So jumping over, and if you were paying attention the last couple days, Kohl's came out with their earnings, had great same-store growth. There is that earnings volatility you saw, going from about Friday's close, $54. On Monday, we're opening somewhere around 57, but then as that news strikes today, trading up 3.7%, 59.13. Across the retail sector as well, you have Sears talking about they got an injection of $100 million in financing. Still need a lot of money for the embattled retailer, but that putting a little bit of ease into the worries for Sears, up 9%. And we can't go without it. Kodak, how about it? Maybe getting into some Bitcoin, blockchain, Kodak coin up 73%. Stay tuned. Dave White coming up right now. Thanks so much, folks.